Okay guys, this is a very simple, as long as you line everything up and know what you're doing, this is a simple lesson. Okay, so it says calculate the product, although it does say use estimation or fraction multiplication to determine if your answer is reasonable. We'll do that after we calculate what we get for the answer. Okay, the main thing to do here is simply to line up your decimals whenever we're multiplying. Okay, that, and then I mean this whole lesson is basically about using the fraction, but let's line everything up, multiply it correctly, and then we will use the fractions multiplication to see if we're right. So if we line everything up, we got 78.93, and then we have 32 and 45 hundredths. Okay, multiply that, always start over here, and we would say 5 times 3 is 15. Carrying 1, 5 times 4, or 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is 46. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 4 is 44. And 5 times 7 is 35, plus 4 is 39. Alright, done with that. Let me erase our top. Alright, 4 times 3, also we have to put a place value here, or a placeholder here. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 9 is 36, so it's 37. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 3 is 35. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 is 31. Okay, done with that. Clear the top. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. And, oh, Mr. Ashton did not put his placeholder there. So it is 0, 0, 6, 8, 7. And then 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Okay, let's add our other placeholders here. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 8 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23. Okay, now that we just simply add, going straight down, so we have 5, 8, 17, there's 10, and 5 is 15, 8 is 23, 9 is 32. Let me do that again. 10, 15, 23, and 9, 32, yeah. Okay, 3, 6, 7, and 7 is 14, and another 7 is 21. 2, 3 is 5, 5 and 5 is 10, 14. 1 and 1 is 2, 3 is 5, and 2. Let's see here. shows that I'm off somewhere. This should have been a 6, so let me see here. This is 3, there's 6, 7, another 7, it's 14, 21. Okay, so apparently I missed something here. It's 28. Maybe not there then. 15, and then this would have been 20. Let me mess up right here. Let me see. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 27. Carry my 2. 3 times 4 is 24 plus, yep. There it was. Okay. Now we're good. That should have been 26. Sorry about that. Now, all you have to do to know where to put the decimal is to count how many decimal places they were in your problem. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can just say 2 plus 2, 4 decimal places. So I'm going to count off 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's my decimal place. So my answer is 2,561. And 2,785 10,000ths. Okay, now, are we right? How do we do that with our fractions, multiplication, or with estimation? Well, I'm not the biggest fan of the fraction multiplication just because it takes so long, so let's just estimate. Let's say that's close to 79. 32.45, we'll round that, leave that at 32. If I multiply those, I get 8, 1, there's 15, 27, carry my 2, 21, 22, 23, 8, 2, 5, 2. Well, that was pretty close to that. Okay, so we're good with that one. All right, let's do this other one here. I'm going to erase all of this. It says paint cost $29.95 per gallon. Nikki needs 12.25 gallons to complete a painting project. How much will Nikki spend on paint? Round to the nearest penny. Well, here's the thing. You normally don't buy gallons of paint in quarter gallons, which is 0.25. So Nikki's going to have to buy 13 gallons of paint. Okay. And then if we were to do that and say 13 times, I probably wouldn't even do it like that. They're probably going to want you to do 12.25 because that's what we're doing is multiplying by decimals. So let's go ahead and do that. I wouldn't like that problem on a test because you're not going to buy normally a quarter of a gallon of paint. So let's go ahead and do it though. All right. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 9 is 45, 47. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 4 is 49. 10, 14. Okay, now 2, that's 10. Oh, need to go ahead and erase my top. That's 10, 18, 19. 2 times 2, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is another 19. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Done with that, put another placeholder. Oh, I didn't do that yet. I wanted to mark these off. Okay. Now we would say 2 times 5 is 10. Another 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Carry my 1, it's going to be another 19. That's going to be another 5. Okay. Now let's mark that one off. Erase our top. And put down our 3 places. And then we're just going to rewrite that as. Okay. Now if we add all that up, and I'm going to do that. Oh, maybe I'd slide down a little bit. Okay. 5, 7, 8, carry my 1 for 18. That's 10. And 18 is 28. Carry my 2. There's 10. And 7 is 17. Plus 9 is 26. Alright, then we just have 7, 16. Okay. And we would move the decimal places 4 places. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. But we also, it says to round to the nearest penny, which is this place. So this is going to bump it up. So we would say $366.89. That's how much she's going to spend on the paint. Now, like I said, I wouldn't even do that. I would just say Nikki needs 13 gallons. She's going to spend $30. And we could do that by quickly. And this is $390 in an estimate. And that's good. Good estimate. Okay. All right, that's it for your exit ticket. You guys can go ahead and get started on your assignment.